Hello everyone. This will be our 8th video on how to integrate for asset management analysts multi-agent systems with AI to make their job easier.
Hi. Today, I want us to focus on a critical area for our operation, risk and insurance management. We know that, in our industry, anticipating incidents and managing insurance claims effectively is vital. Mismanagement of these factors can generate large financial losses and affect the continuity of our business. How does your multi-agent system address these challenges?
Indeed, risk and insurance management is fundamental. Our system relies on the risk and insurance management agent, which is responsible for identifying, assessing, and mitigating operational risks, as well as for automated management of insurance claims processes. In addition, this automation allows us to reduce response times and improve operational efficiency.
I would like to better understand how this agent works. Could you please detail its components and how it works?
Of course, the agent is composed mainly of two subagents. The agent is mainly composed of two subagents. First, we have the operational risk analysis subagent, which uses machine learning algorithms and statistical analysis to review historical and real-time data from our facilities. With this information, it identifies patterns or trends that may indicate imminent risk, such as recurring equipment failures or unusual increases in repair times. It also allows us to analyze root causes of recurring problems and suggest preventive solutions.
Then, if the system detects a negative trend in any plant, it alerts us before the situation worsens. That could prevent costly shutdowns or major damage, reducing lost productivity and unexpected costs.
Exactly. Early detection of anomalies allows us to implement preventive measures and adjust maintenance plans, which reduces operational risks. In addition, this subagent continuously evaluates the potential impact of each incident, assigning a risk level that helps us prioritize corrective actions and optimize available resources.
Very interesting. And what role does insurance play in all this?
That is what the claims and insurance management subagent is for. This component is responsible for managing the claims process when a loss occurs. It automates the collection of incident-related data, verifies the necessary documentation, and coordinates communication with insurance companies. This minimizes human error and speeds up claims resolution, ensuring that the company obtains compensation in a timely manner.
This is essential. Today, claims management is often a tedious and sometimes time-consuming process, which can delay obtaining compensation or reparations. Does the system facilitate the integration of this information with the rest of the modules?
Exactly. All risk and claims data are integrated into the central platform. Thus, the orchestrator agent ensures that the information is shared with other relevant modules, such as financial analysis and maintenance. This allows us to have a holistic view of how a claim impacts operating costs and profitability, facilitating decision-making to adjust strategies or future investments. It also allows us to identify patterns that could reduce costs in the long term.
I see that the system is not only limited to detecting and managing risks, but also provides us with tools to assess the economic impact of each incident and to manage claims in an agile way. Could you give me a practical example?
Of course. Let's imagine that one of your plants detects a recurring failure in a critical component, which increases the risk of a prolonged shutdown. The operational risk analysis. Subagent identifies this trend and assigns a high level of risk to the situation. In parallel, if an incident occurs, the claims and insurance management subagent automatically collects all necessary documentation and sends a claim request to the insurer. This speeds up the response and helps minimize the economic impact, as preventive measures are triggered and the claim is handled efficiently. Additionally, a lessons learned report is generated to avoid similar incidents in the future.
This would give us a great competitive advantage, as we would be able to anticipate problems and reduce response times to incidents, which in turn would translate into lower operating costs and greater business continuity.
Exactly. By integrating these processes, we not only reduce the risks inherent in the operation, but also optimize the workflow and ensure that each incident is handled quickly and efficiently. All this translates into improved productivity and reduced economic losses, reinforcing the company's financial stability.
It is clear that, with this system, we can transform the way we manage risk and insurance, making the operation much more resilient. This is key to ensuring the stability and growth of our business.
And with the ability to generate automatic reports and provide mitigation suggestions, the system becomes a proactive tool to reduce vulnerabilities in the long term.
Perfect. Thank you for the very complete and practical explanation. This comprehensive approach to risk and insurance management is certainly a fundamental pillar to ensure the continuity and success of our operations.
We are pleased to show you how our system can optimize risk and insurance management to strengthen your company's operations.
Could you provide me with the contact of someone to clarify a couple of more specific doubts to implement it in our company?
Of course you can. You can contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navacerrada via LinkedIn. He will guide you through the process and will be able to clarify any other doubts you may have. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to be more informed about how artificial intelligence can help to improve facility management.